driving with the stock lights. They are rather dim. So here in a minute we will be installing the new last fit headlights and you'll see the difference. Welcome to Not Total Garage. Today's video is sponsored by Last Fit. Let's see what they sent us. Took the liberty of opening the package already. I'm using another car as a bench. So here we go. It's a little windy outside today as well, so I'm in the garage. We got some LED lights, as well as stickers. So let's open up the lights and take a peek, shall we? Got a nice manual. These should be pretty simple. They give you instructions in here on how to put them on. If you've put headlights in your vehicle before, you should definitely know how you do it. I hate to put it that way, but it is. But if you haven't, definitely read the instructions. Pretty well packaged. I mean, very well packaged. So I've bought their products before. Have them in my minivan. And I have to say, the ones that I have in my minivan are definitely not made like these. I mean, you can see these are, you can see, but these are stout. They're nice and heavy. Aluminum construction. Look like they're adjustable as well. I mean, these are some pretty slick lights. These lights are gonna go in my Tacoma. So I already put the fog lights in. I already posted the video on that. But this one is for Last Fit. So we're gonna go ahead and yank these out. All right, as you can see, I am removing the washer foot bottle so we could get access to the rear of the headlight bucket. These headlight springs can be tricky on Toyotas and certain vehicles that have this style. So please practice patience because you can break the clips. Sometimes you can get the clips as a replacement. Sometimes you have to buy a whole assembly. So definitely be careful doing that. As you can see, there's only 2 bolts that hold this entire thing in. And then it gives you enough room to where you can slide the headlight in and out. My clip popped out, so I was able to get the clip and put it back in place. As you've seen, I just showed you there. It is definitely a tight little spot to get into, but you can get it back in. Patience is key when it comes to this portion. These headlights do go in a certain direction. There is a up and a down. If you put them in the incorrect way, they do look different. Once you get them there, it's pretty much plug and play. They slide in, the clip locks into place, and it's pretty simple from there. Getting the clip around the actual fan motor is a little bit difficult, but it's not hard to do. You can do it if you just take your time. You see where it's getting stuck there? Just gently move it around the housing, snap it in place, and you're done. It's easy as that. These lights are very, very well made. Nice, heavy grade aluminum construction. Plug and play design. I mean, look how easy it is to plug and play this in. Plugged in. Goes in flawlessly. New light versus old. New light is 10 times brighter than the old incandescent bulb. LED incandescent. All right, we're doing the driver's side headlight. Unplug it. It has a rubber seal around it, or grommet around it, to protect the wiring. It will not go back on. You have a clip that goes around a little locking tab down here, which is always slightly a pain to get off, but not today. Don't touch the glass. Touch the glass if you plan on reusing them, clean them with rubbing alcohol. That's the only way you're going to be able to reuse them. I always keep them in case I get a headlight out or something when I'm out and about. That way I have a backup light. This portion of the light goes up. It is adjustable to turn it around, but this is the up position. Make sure you follow the guides on the inside of your headlight assembly to install these. If not, you will break your assembly. Coming from the mechanic. Basically, find the hole if you can get around the battery, which I'm hoping I can, because I really don't want to remove the battery, which I might have to. I'm hoping I don't. I shouldn't have to. Yeah, that might be coming from right here. Coming from the side of the battery. Follow your locking tabs, because they only go in, these lights only go in a certain way. Put the little metal retaining tab around the light. Clip it in. Pretty simple on hooking up. It is as easy as that, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you install an LED light in a Toyota Tacoma. Thank you, Last Fit. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen. New LED headlights, LED fog lights. Stay tuned for night driving. Definite improvement over the stock headlights. Last Fit for the win. Here's the high beams. They're even brighter. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out, I'll leave the affiliate link in the comment section and the description. Thank you for watching. Get out there and build something.